Number 1. The 1986 Chevrolet Corvette convertible, priced at $7,000. This classic C4 Corvette offers a fun driving experience and may even be a replica of the 500 original pace cars used in races like the Indianapolis 500. The car has been upgraded with aluminum heads, a ram air system, and internal engine components like a cam, roller rockers, lifters, and a gear drive, all designed to boost performance. It features a true dual Flowmaster exhaust for that signature sound. The transmission has been upgraded to a 700 R4 Black Max with a shift kit and a 2800 stall converter. Cosmetically, the polished motor and great condition interior make this Corvette a showstopper, with the seats still in top shape. Recent maintenance includes new brake pads, a master cylinder, a new alternator, and a red top Optima battery. The seller has owned this well-cared-for Corvette for over 20 years. Number 2. The 1971 Ford Torino 500, priced at $12,000. This classic ride from '71 has been lovingly restored with a rebuilt 302 engine and C4 transmission, bringing it back to near original condition. It features a fresh interior, brand new front suspension, new tires, and a new exhaust system, ensuring it runs smoothly and looks great inside. While it could use a bit of paint and bodywork, this car is ready to hit the road. The seller is open to trades, particularly interested in Corvettes, Jeeps, classic cars, trucks, or even a well-maintained Volkswagen Bug or bus. Number 3. The 1979 Dodge Magnum, priced at $12,999. This classic car, manufactured in 1979, features a powerful V8 engine, delivering impressive performance. With only one previous owner, it's been garage stored and is rust-free, showing it's been well taken care of. The Magnum comes with removable T-tops, complete with leather storage bags, allowing for an open-air driving experience when desired. It's all original, meaning every part and component is just as it was when it first rolled off the line. The car runs and drives smoothly and holds a clean title, ensuring a hassle-free ownership experience. Number 4. The 1968 Buick ELECTRA 225 Limited, priced at $11,000. This classic beauty is lovingly referred to by its owner as "my baby," reflecting a deep personal attachment after over 10 years of ownership. It's in original condition, meaning it maintains its factory specifications and drives like a dream, offering a smooth and enjoyable ride. With power everything, windows, locks, and possibly seats, comfort is guaranteed. The radio is in working order, and the air conditioning has been recently rebuilt. Recent replacements of tires and brakes ensure it's in great operational shape, while a recent tune-up signifies optimal performance. The original 430 cubic inch engine delivers solid power, and though there's a little rust under the vinyl top, it's a minor issue given that the car has always been garaged. The interior is perfect, with no rips or tears, and the owner is open to serious inquiries only, considering interesting trades as well. Number 5. The 1965 Plymouth Valiant SIGNET, priced at $11,500. This classic car is in excellent shape with no rust and drives beautifully. It's stored indoors from October to May to protect it from winter weather. The interior and body are completely original, maintaining their vintage charm. Under the hood, the car features a slant 6 engine with a few upgrades, including a dual exhaust system, a 4-barrel carburetor, and an oversized radiator for enhanced performance. It rides and handles exceptionally well, and it's easy to drive and maintain. This Plymouth Valiant SIGNET is a great find for any classic car enthusiast. Number 6. The 1974 AMC HORNET Sportabout, priced at $9,000. This classic 1974 AMC Hornet Sportabout is a four-door station wagon featuring a robust 258 cubic inch inline six-cylinder engine and a three-speed automatic transmission. It comes with power steering and standard brakes, and it has recently been upgraded with a new air conditioning system, though a few parts are still on order. The vehicle boasts a lot of new components, including an aluminum radiator, a new master cylinder, and updated brakes and lines. It rides on aftermarket wheels with newer tires. The car was repainted a few years ago in its original Big Bad Blue color, and the frame is in excellent condition. Number 7. The 1959 Chevrolet Biscayne, priced at $9,000. This all-original four-door sedan has just 35,583 miles on the odometer and features a 235 cubic inch inline-six engine with a three-speed manual transmission mounted on the steering column. Recently, a new master cylinder was installed, ensuring the brakes are fully operational. The car runs and drives smoothly, although it does have some side damage from a scrape when the previous owner misjudged the garage space. Despite this, it remains a very solid and well-preserved classic vehicle. Number 8. The 1948 Chrysler WINDSOR Highlander, priced at $11,000. This classic vehicle from Chrysler features an inline 6-liter engine with a displacement of 250 cubic inches, ensuring a powerful yet smooth ride. Its transmission is a fluid-drive 4-speed semi-automatic, offering an effortless driving experience with the option for some manual control. With only 51,000 miles on the odometer, this car is relatively low mileage for its age, highlighting its condition as all original and garage kept, meaning it has preserved its authentic charm. While the car does turn over, it unfortunately won't fire consistently, indicating a potential mechanical issue that the owner believes is likely a simple fix. Since it cannot be driven in its current state, a trailer will be needed for transportation. This is a fantastic opportunity for enthusiasts looking to restore a piece of automotive history. Number 9. The 1977 Ford Mustang Coupe, priced at $4,800. This classic Mustang, being sold on behalf of the seller's father, features a 302 cubic inch Ford small block engine and an automatic transmission. While it runs great, it does need some cosmetic attention, including a damaged rear bumper that just requires a new rubber cover. This car is a fantastic project opportunity, perfect for a father-son build or anyone looking to enhance its classic charm. It's rare on the streets and will turn heads. The odometer reads 06125, but it rolls over after reaching 99,999 miles, so the actual mileage may be higher. You can work on it while enjoying daily drives. Number 10. The 1977 Ford Granada, priced at $7,500. This classic midsize car was well preserved by its previous owner, who kept it mostly garaged, ensuring it stayed in great condition. Over the past 2 years, the current owner has driven it daily, adding only 7,000 miles. Recently, a brand new radiator was installed, and the inline-six engine continues to run smoothly. Inside, the car's interior is in mint condition, showing no signs of wear. While the paint has slightly oxidized over time, it remains in good shape with no rust, making this Granada a solid, reliable choice.